Okay, we had a hard drive failure there. What was the failure? It was full. What are you doing here? Oh, you didn't do that right. All right, you done? You got a reckoning? So what size were these clips again? I forgot.
59s.
No, 58s? What about 60s?
60.
59. 59. 59. These appear to be 59.
They are 59s.
It's a good thing. That works. You know what S&S uses?
59?
59s, yeah. Harleys have 58s and 9s. I saw some 60s somewhere once, but I think they're made wrong. And if you got the old Wiseco, they were 50, 52, I think. Those ones I like. They're a lot easier to put in and out. Okay, how do these go together? Do you know how they work? Is there a left and a right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there front and a back? Which one's the back?
Small valve.
Small valve is in the back. Big valve, small valve. Small valve, big valve. Center of the V. What are you watching? You been watching? Okay, now which way do they go? This way or this way?
Like that.
See what's a notch in the front of the rear piston? Not the rear of the front piston. Which way you want it?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Who gets notched? Well, this is the down deceleration thrust phase. This is the power thrust phase. Which one do you think should have more skirt area? The downshifting side or the power side?
Power side.
So this would be the front. This would be the rear. Unless you want to downshift a bunch, then you do it the other way around.
I'm going to do that too.
Are they even marked? They say S&S on them. Yeah, I say 885, isn't it? 805. What is that? 885? 588? I don't think they know either.
Discontinued.
Discontinued garbage. Okay, well, he had this one down as the rear one. Okay, what side do you want the clip on? The right side or left side when you put together? I like to clip on the right side. So you know how to put these clips in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Same way as the rings. Put them in the groove with the front.
You know, you stick it in like a ring going, checking a ring. And you rotate it around. I catch the titties in the groove. And I take the installation tool. I bang it in there a few times until it's the right spot. See, that's a nice solid hit. Just got, you didn't clean these, it's hard to do it. There it goes. It's got a nice ringy sound to it. The clip is installed correctly usually. It's all the way in the groove. Because you have to push the clip flat for it to go in the groove. But that only works when you're out of the motor. When you're in the motor, you got to do it differently. Same way. Click. Did you hear a click?
Mm-hmm.
So the tails are inside the groove. So see how the clip has to be pushed in to make it go in? Okay. Oop.
Nice little clip.
Appears to be pretty hard. I think it's all the way in now. What do you think? You notice how I purposely did not have the groove lined up? Because it's easier to put it in like that than sideways. It appears to have some oil and dirt. You didn't clean these very well.
They're just super tight.
You got some residue material on them. Okay, so we got that done. Did you figure which one of these is front and rear yet? This is the rear piston. The clip is on the right side, push rod side. Like that. Goes in the bottom, not the top. So is this going to be our rear cylinder or the front cylinder? Appears to be pretty dirty here in the front. See how dirty it is right there? In the middle of the V. How about this one? This one's really dirty in the middle of the V. It must be the front of the V. So do you want the dirty part in the front or the middle or back of the V? This one's cleaner than that one on the front.
Yeah, we'll do that in the front.
This one has the broken, or the bent fin on it too. That's behind the air cleaner right now. You want to put that in the front where you can see it better?
No.
You want to hide that behind the air cleaner?
Yeah.
Oh. See how it's bent down a little bit? Someone dropped it. Okay, so that makes this the front cylinder.
Someone was prying on it when they were taking the heads off one of the times.
This is the rear cylinder now because intake. Okay, where's our piston at? Rear. Just like that. Got it? Need some goop. I'm going to pre-lube this cylinder. Well, I lubricate the first 1.5 inches, 2 inches, whatever my finger goes down, without cutting into the hair. You have longer fingers, so you might go down deeper. So now you only lube it that much. That way when you shove the piston through, it'll lube it the rest of the way. Push rod side, clip side, rear cylinder. How strong my fingers are going to be. The groove's right over here. So if you push it in like that, should be in. Ring groove right here. See that? Can't see with the camera though, but you can see it with this. So you pull it out this side here enough. Like that. This groove is not up. There we go. So now you put this piston, lower oil ring goes in first, lower rail. Then you just compress it down a little bit, and it brings it in. You lightly tap with a hammer around the circle, go right on down, and you get to the next ring gap is on this side, you put it in, tap it around. Now right now this has to be hard in that lip because we got a wrist pin in here. So you bring this up to flush, bring this up to a little above flush, grab your dirty wrist pin.
Easy.
It's not high enough yet. Oop. Not that high though. That fits now, see? It's at a slight angle. You know what you should do before you forget?
Base gaskets.
Put some gaskets on there before you put together without any. So those go in the case though because it'd be in the way if you're on this side. Didn't work? something else you can do too. You didn't deburr the gasket surface yet.
Oh yeah. Where's that little baby? Oh God.
That hurts. Well, you need a file?
Yeah. Those fucking rags too.
Did somebody deburr it? You need to deburr your cylinders?
We got some shitty rags to fill it up with.
No. Yeah, you got a shitty camera you can hold on to. I mean, like these marks right here, you see right here? Is those the ones you don't like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know what happens when you go this direction?
Mm-hmm.
Chips come out. And you go this way here. It's not very flat. See, this has powder coat on it.
Mm-hmm.
Screws everything all up. I'm assuming that's what I'm hitting on. No, you're hitting on the file. There's a bolt over here too. This stud is in our way. That's what I was hitting on. If you hit on that, problem. Try not to file the rod though. That'd be bad. There we go. There we go. A little bit of a sealer in there. You got to clean it off, remember?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I have a little bit of burr there too. I think that's where you were beating on it with a hammer or something. I'm not sure if that cylinder's going to go in there. Feel that burr in there? Where'd that come from? Are you banging the rods in and out? Look out. Feels good on that side. What is that in there? I think you got something big in that one. Better?
Way better.
You like that better now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Take that rag out there. We won't use that for that anymore. Okay, you happy? They might go in now. Okay, back to work. Okay, shut it off for a minute.